this video, we are going to see about AWS API Gateway. So what is AWS API Gateway? The primary purpose of Amazon API Gateway is to act as a bridge between your front-end applications like web, mobile, or IoT applications and your backend services like AWS Lambda functions, EC2 instances, or other web services. So API Gateway is the gateway. So it's like a bridge between the users and then the AWS environment. So for example, if you are going to deploy a model in your AWS SageMaker or EC2, and you need to connect it with the user, right? So then only you can get some input for prediction purpose. So for that purpose, we are using API Gateway. So it's like a bridge in between the users and then the AWS applications. So with the help of the API Gateway, we are going to connect it with the users, that is front end like web pages or any mobile applications or any system applications. That is your front end. And in between, we have an API Gateway that will be connected with the front end applications and also the backend AWS resources like AWS SageMaker or EC2, any of the services. So if you are passing input to the, if you are passing input from the front-end applications like web pages or mobile applications, it will be passed to the API Gateway, and API Gateway pass that information to the resources like SageMaker or EC2. So once you give the input for prediction, so it will do the predictions, and after that, the predicted output will be again passed from the SageMaker to the API Gateway, and after that, it will be given to you. So this is what the process it will follow. So it's act like a bridge between the front-end applications and then the back-end services. And it provides a set of tools to create, publish, and manage and secure APIs. So it has some tools to create the API and publish and also managing the API and securing the API, because security is one of the major thing we need to look into it, and the security is high here in the AWS environment for securing the APIs here, and allowing you to expose your backend functionality to external clients in a controlled and efficient manner. It can able to control the it can able to expose your backend of functionality to the external clients in a controlled and efficient manner. That means we have some IAM things like policies and roles. We can able to control the things. What are the things that the user can able to use, and what are the things that can able to edit. So we have some access like edit access and writing access, reading access, everything are there. We can able to control it, and that is possible in the AWS environment. And in the API Gateway, we can use the roles and policies for controlling the services given to the users. Thank you, everyone.